Hello and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is ephemeral. Let's discover what this beautiful word means. Ephemeral means lasting for only a very short time. Many beautiful moments in life are ephemeral, making them even more precious. Here's an example. The beauty of the rainbow was ephemeral, disappearing just minutes after the rain stopped. This means the rainbow lasted only for a short time, making the moment even more special. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word ephemeral? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon!